Ever walked into a room and felt the tension before anyone said a word? Or do you an empath? Absorb other people's moods like a sponge, even when you don't take breaks or use noise-canceling headphones to maintain balance. Friends vent without asking. Want to? You might be more than just sensitive. You might be, and that's not a weakness, it's a hidden superpower. Let's break it down. Sign number one, you absorb other people's emotions. Even 10 minutes of sunlight or a walk can reset your emotional system. You're happy 1 minute, and then someone walks in with heavy energy, and suddenly you feel drained. When you realize this isn't mine, you can protect your peace and respond rather than react. Parties, channel it into art, writing, therapy, or helping others. Your depth is your strength. Airports, they overwhelm you. Anxious or sad without even knowing why. It's not coincidence. But because your nervous system is processing everyone else's emotional data. Empaths literally absorb emotional energy. How to use it? Train your awareness. Sign number two, you struggle in crowded places. Busy malls, empaths radiate safety. Your presence feels like home. Not because you're shy, water, animals. How to use it? Coach or healer, but set boundaries. You're not everyone's emotional trash bin. Practice grounding, carry something comforting. Sign number three, people confide in you instantly. Strangers open up to you. Why? How to use it? Use this gift to become a powerful listener. Sign number four, nature recharges you. You feel more at peace near trees. That's not random. It's your body craving energetic detox. How to use it? Make nature part of your routine. Sign number five, you feel too much and question it. You've been told you're too sensitive or you overthink everything. But what if that sensitivity is actually deep perception? Empaths feel deeply because they understand deeply. How to use it? Stop suppressing it. Being an empath isn't a flaw, it's a gift. But only when you learn to protect your energy, set limits, and embrace your inner wisdom. In a world that's emotionally disconnected, your empathy is a rare light. So don't dim it, learn to direct it. If this resonated with you, you're not alone and you're not broken. Subscribe to Mind Matters for more powerful insights about who you truly are and how to thrive with your unique mind.